Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and while some days call for espresso, other days call for a double espresso. Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. So for those days, I now have these super classy and gorgeous Kitchenexus double wall glass espresso cups. I love the somewhat non-traditional bubble shape of these espresso cups. They are really pleasant to look at and to hold in my hand. A double shot of espresso fits in these cups perfectly with absolutely no spillover. It is so fun and special to be able to see my espresso along with the foamy crema through the crystal clear glass of these cups. They are amazing to use for a little bit of an extended afternoon espresso date from home with my husband. From now on, when I need that double shot of espresso to power me through my day, I'm going to be doing it in style with these Kitchenexus double wall espresso cups. And that's my point of view.